Today I'm going to show you how to archive chats on Telegram quickly and easily. This is a simple way to clean up your chat list without deleting anything, and it's perfect if you want to hide conversations you don't need to see right away while still keeping them mahfuzo. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Telegram tips and software how-to videos. Alright, let's get straight into it. First, open Telegram on your device. Once Telegram is open, look through your chat list and find the conversation you want to archive. Now, right-click the chat if you're on desktop. If you're using Telegram on mobile, you may need to press and hold the chat instead, depending on your device and version. After that, click Archive. As soon as you do this, Telegram will move that conversation out of your main chat list and place it into the Archived Chats folder. You'll usually see that folder at the top of your chat list, so it's easy to find whenever you need it. This is useful because it helps keep your inbox organized without permanently removing any messages. If you ever want to check those archived conversations later, just click Archived Chats at the top. From there, you can open any chat you want and continue the conversation normally. Archiving is a great feature if you want a cleaner Telegram interface, especially if you have a lot of active groups, channels, or personal chats. It helps you focus on the conversations that matter most right now while still keeping everything accessible in one place. And that's it. You've now learned how to archive chats on Telegram. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more easy tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.